What up, guys? Welcome back. So today we are all rolling out here in Indiana to go grab a second gen, and quite possibly the roughest and most rustiest second gen on the planet. I've been scouring like Facebook Marketplace trying to find some piece of crap for us to beat up here at Whistling Diesel's house, and I think we found it. It is insanely rusty, guys. Wait, like the bed mounts are rotted out, but it comes with a plow, so maybe we'll get to plow something. Never got to plow anything before the truck. It's a virgin 12 valve, guys, never been touched. So we're on our way now, about an hour away from Whistling Diesel's house. We'll be there shortly. We're gonna check this thing out and drive it back an hour back to his house, and maybe take it to the truck meet. Probably. What do you think?
Yeah.
Take the truck meet. Definitely take the truck meet. Have to. We gotta find some forces. I've been looking on Facebook. No one around here has any forces, so we'll figure something out. We'll figure something. Oh my goodness, there she is, guys. We're from Florida. So we're like buying a rusted out, clapped piece of junk to make some videos with while we're in town. And that's exactly what this is. Oh, it's just mint. But look at the dash. It's just cherry. Ooh, it's okay, puppers. Oh. Wow. Hey, Austin, you grab that intercooler boots in the passenger side. I'll put the impact in there too. Yeah, she's a 12 valve. Got a plow on the front. Got some good rubber. Injection pump's virgin. No one's touched it yet. Dang. Find out. What do you think?
It should start up, I hope.
I hope.
Looks promising.
Sweet plow. Oh goodness, look at the floorboard. Oh, cherry.
Cherry.
Just cherry. Oh man, goes right in gear. Okay, we might make it home. We got forward. Look at this plow thing in here. Wow, okay. Cool. It still squeaks when it shuts off, so. The headlights work? Cool. Alright, well I guess we'll throw that boot on there and.
Yeah, right where the temp sensor goes.
Oh, down here on the side. So he said that they robbed the intercooler boot off of us. We brought one off the flatbed. We're gonna get her thrown on here.
First gen.
I just sold one 3 days ago.
Yeah, it's only, mine's only VE pump.
Old OBS for sale?
Yeah. Runs like a champ too.
What do you want for that? 2,500 too?
No, I'll take 4. I got a lot of nice parts to go with it.
That's a long ways to get back home.
All the way to Florida or wherever. We got it 10,000 miles. On stock injectors even.
Solid, just track bar. Sick plow. Oh, the bed's just cherry over here. Wow. It's nothing. I heard you could wrap a really rusty truck.
You can go right over that. You won't even know it's there.
Cover the gap.
Yeah, one piece. And then hold the bed on, you know? The frame's actually not that bad of shape.
Huh?
The frame is actually not that bad of shape. Go on the back, it ain't. You know the seat. What's it like?
Perfect. I just want to make sure you had it.
What's the frame look like from down there?
Oh, it looks rusty.
Is it like crusted?
Yeah. All right, guys. So far, this thing shifts. But it's got like 410s or something crazy in it. So all we're gonna do is 60 the whole way home. Yep. It's all right. We'll get there. So we made it to the fuel station to put fuel in the 4th gen, and we heard a noise. It's literally touching its. Will you do the honors? Just kick it, whip it. Much better. The lady's like, what the hell? Oh, that's for sure gonna exit going down the road. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can give a shit less. Took care of that noise problem. This thing rides out like nobody's business. It runs so good.
It literally rides smooth.
It's got 14 gears. We're doing like 70 miles an hour at full throttle too. So, all right, let's put some fuel in the 4th. What do you think, babe? Alright guys, so Amber's here and we're gonna get her on as a pin on the truck. What do you think about our new rig?
I think you made a mistake.
Why is that?
Because look, it's all rusted.
Where? I don't see any rust. Show me the rust. Where's it at? Go point to it.
It's everywhere. I don't know where to point.
No, there's no rust. What about the bed? The bed's in mint condition. Austin thinks it's in mint condition.
It's the only thing that's in mint condition.
So Amber didn't get to go with us to pick the truck up, but open the door. You get to look at your side of the truck.
I'm not
You seem less than enthused about all of this. I think we're gonna name the truck Tetanus. I just got my tetanus shot from when I cut my toe, so I should be good.
Looks like poop.
What about my plow? I'm gonna be plowing through all the snows up here.
What me to do?
Guys, she's wearing her jeans today. She look hella thick. That's it. Nothing else to say. Maybe you've been wanting a truck. Here you go. Maybe what if we build this for you?
No, I'm good.
And put nice wheels and tires on it for you to drive it around.
No, it's okay.
Why not?
It's okay. I don't want it. I'll go in my car for now.
You're so unappreciative of anything I get you. Nothing's good enough for her. Stop messing up Amber's interior. Stop messing up Amber's fenders.
It's fun.
So we didn't get to go over the interior, guys, and when we picked it up, so it has got a mint condition dash. Even the cup holder's still in good shape. Glove box still works. Is it the original owner's manual? Hell yeah, it is. Check that out. Seats are decent. Carpet's in great shape. Rocker panels are in amazing condition.
The bed's lowered.
Lowered bed.
So the big girls can
Custom
get in.
body mounts. It is straight piped. Frame is in great shape. Nothing wrong with the frame.
Not the body.
This thing ought to be worth like 10, 15 grand in Florida. Should be worth a ton. Engine's still virgin. We talked about that a little bit earlier. It's got this amazing plow system on the front of the truck. Frame looks great right there. Absolutely nothing wrong with the frame right there. Brake lines are in great condition. New tires. keep roasting the tires like this, we're gonna have to get some new ones. So I'm thinking we might get some American Forces or something like that. But we're gonna go park this thing and head out to the local truck meet tonight. So y'all guys be sure to tune in to the next videos and let us know what we should do with tetanus right here, and get back to us. We should smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe, guys. We'll catch you later. Peace.